Hi darlings, Miriam Gaffarinia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to share a review with you about KENCKO. If you haven't heard of them, they are a smart food company and they make smoothies. But not just any smoothies. The smoothies are made with organic fruits and vegetables and there is no added sugar, which is huge for me. So I'm super excited that I got this box. I haven't opened it yet, so this is my first time doing it with you guys. I'm going to open the box, do an unboxing, just kind of go through it, make a smoothie, drink it with you, and tell you what I think. So let's get into it. All right, let's see. So when you order these smoothies, you get a box like this, and let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, this is what you get inside. I want to show you what's inside the box. And so let's see what's in this little envelope. Eat well, and some stickers. Super cute. And they also sent a bottle, and these are the smoothies. They come in a powder format. So let me see, let me take this bottle out. So here's the bottle. I kind of like this bottle. It's almost like a pastel green. So there's a little screw on top. This is where you would drink from. And I think, oops, let's see. Here we go. And I think this part opens up as well. Okay, so this is where you would add your liquid. And here you can see there are lines that says fill until here. So there's no way you guys could mess this up. So easy. So far, easy. All right, so here's the bottle, and let's see, let me look at the smoothies. All right, so I have 7 smoothies here. As you can see, they're all different colors, meaning there are different ingredients inside. All right, let's just pick one. Let's do this one. It says purples, and you can see the list of ingredients, and on the back, it says what you can add. Basically, you can add liquid of choice. It could be water, it could be regular milk. I personally love oat milk. I also like almond milk. So those are going to be my options. I also like coconut water. I like a lot of things. But the point is you can add any liquid you like, but it does suggest what liquid you should add to that specific powder pouch, if that makes any sense. It does. Here's what it looks like. Hopefully you can see it on camera. And then I want to read the ingredients to you. 3 blackberries, 6 blueberries, 2 raspberries, 2 cranberries, half a date, 2 strawberries, half a banana, all organic, all the fiber, nothing else. And in the back, it says shake with 10 to 12 ounces of chilled water or milk. That's pretty good. And there's an expiration date, January 2nd, 2021. All right, so I want to make purples. I'm going to wash my bottle and come back and make this together. All right, so as I was washing the bottle, I also found out that this is dishwasher safe, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so we are adding cold water to this one. And where's my line? Here we go. So I can see how much water I'm adding. Cold water. Here we go. And then what you need to do is actually kind of massage the pouch to make sure there are no lumps. And this one looks pretty good to me. So let's go ahead and add it. Ooh, okay. I think I got it. Here we go. All right, so I added my cold water, my powder smoothie, and let's put this back together. Okay, this goes on top, and you shake it for 45 seconds. All right, that was a nice little workout. Here is the final result, as you can see, and I can't wait to taste it. Let's see. Ooh, oh my God, this is so good. I can taste all the berries. It's cold, lovely. All right, so KENCKO definitely gets 2 thumbs up. I like how fresh it tastes. I can definitely taste all the ingredients. And I also like how easy it was to make, just shaking for 45 seconds. That was pretty awesome. So basically, you don't need a blender. And again, just to recap, organic ingredients. So we got organic fruits and vegetables, and also no added sugar, which is huge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you order KENCKO and you make it at home, please let me know what you think, and I hope you do because it's pretty amazing. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.